This is a Tudor Revival great room in Easton, Connecticut. The exposed dark stained timber framing across the cathedral ceiling was mold colonized on the surface of the wood. Sanding the wood would have stripped the historic finish and torn the patina off in the same pass. We brought in soda blasting instead. Sodium-bicarbonate dry media, fed through an industrial pressurized blast pot at low working pressure. Soda sits at Mohs 2.5, softer than the timber it cleans. It is friable, which means it shatters into a fine powder against the wood instead of embedding in the grain. And the residue is water-soluble, so cleanup is a sweep and a HEPA vacuum. We built full containment first. Floor-to-ceiling poly. Taped seams. 2 air filtration devices running negative pressure with HEPA exhaust. Blast media captured on a HEPA shop vac downstream. Pass after pass, colonized hyphae and surface staining lift off the beams. The original tool marks and timber characters stay intact. ICRC S520 lists abrasive blasting as an acceptable method for porous structural wood remediation when the wood needs to remain visible. After the blast, the wood gets HEPA vacuumed, damp wiped with an EPA-registered antimicrobial, and clear sealed once moisture content drops below 16%. The result: clean timber. The historic finish preserved. Green restoration. ICRC certified firm. 5,000 projects across Connecticut, Westchester County, New York, and Western Massachusetts since 2000.